Hello, mad people. Sing and dance and love the clash. While I'm mad here, Jelly, see, laugh till I sing properly. So go like and to subscribe. I'm gonna tell a friend them about me with my good body. Forget my hoe. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Nice Girls Stash, and I'm back again with another skit. Yeah, I'm back again with another skit. So remember to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, just subscribe. Welcome to my channel. And remember, say skit. And I give a skit every week. So just get right into the skit. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Are you here for the job interview?
Sir.
Okay, let me see the resumes. Okay, Miss Amanda. Okay, I can see that you have worked at different places before.
Yes, sir. I did work at one place there. And the dirty girl did nothing more than she ate me. I'm eat her back.
You cannot be using those words in here. Remember, you came for a job interview.
Sir, so we are going to come to tell us something.
Amanda, so let's get to the reason why we're here. So, Miss Amanda, tell me a little bit about yourself.
Let me tell you. You see me? I can't do anything, you know. But if nobody ramped me, may kill them coming around people.
No, Miss Amanda, we don't tolerate those things here. We don't tolerate those things here. So please go back outside, please. No, Miss, I said you should step out the door.
Yeah, bro.
No, just please go.
I mean, I get the job.
No, just go, please.
But me now move till me get the job.
Security, please escort this lady out of here, please. Sir, miss, please, let's go.
What?
Okay, sir. Come, please,
Let me go.
Let's go.
Me now
Let's
move
go.
till me get the job. Me
Let's
want
go.
Let me go. Let me go. Let me go.
These people are so crazy. Next.
Yeah, that was a nice skit. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and everything. So until next time, I'm out. Bye.